In the same vein meaning. In the same vein, what does it even mean? As a comparing phrase, in the same vein suggests that the items being compared have commonalities or are linked in some way. It is often followed by the word as when used in the midst of a sentence. Novels written in the same style as those of Jane Austen and Charlotte Brontë are some of my favorites. A synonym for, like or, similar to, when used in this context. It's also a common way to kick off a sentence that refers to anything related to the preceding one. A good case in point is the firm's commitment to investing in green energy. Similarly, we're trying to lessen the impact of our workplaces on the environment. Similar to similarly and likewise in meaning, it is often used to start a phrase. In a similar vein, along the same vein, and in the same vein are all less frequent versions of this phrase. It's the same thing when you employ a sentence along the same lines.